everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another affordable hair care product. So I'm trying a lot of different products from different brands these days, and it is just because we all have so many issues related to our hair like hair fall, breakage, frizziness, unmanageable hair, and we need to smoothen them. So there's a lot of issues nowadays and I'm trying different brands for that. And today I'm here with Karma Ayurveda brand. So few days back I received 3 products from this brand. So this one is the onion hair oil. This one is the onion shampoo, and this is the sweet almond oil, which is generally known as Badam Rogan. So I will explain each and every product one by one in details. But first I'm gonna tell you about the brand. Also I'm planning to do a giveaway with these products. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to explain this giveaway procedure at the end of this video. So Karma is the fastest growing Ayurveda brand in India. It is 100% vegan, it is cruelty free. It is free from all the toxins and chemicals, it is SLS free, it is paraben free, and it is pure and safe to use. They are premium quality Ayurvedic products which are ISO certified and they are manufactured globally. So yes, they are made in India. So first I'm gonna talk about this onion hair oil. So I really like the packaging because you all know it is a pump sort of packaging and I really love pump packaging. And now let me read out some ingredients for you. So this has red onion seed oil, black seed oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, castor oil, amla extract, bhringraj extract, neem oil, virgin coconut oil, hibiscus oil, peppermint oil, lavender oil, jojoba oil and sweet almond oil. Wow! All the beneficial ingredients that you need for your hair problem are present in one single product. So as you all know, these ingredients are really important if you need good quality hair, like if you want to stop hair fall, these ingredients are really important. Also there are some benefits imprinted on this packaging and let me read out those for you as well. So this adds strength and shine to your hair, it nourishes scalp, it reduces hair fall, it is suitable for all hair types, it is natural and toxin free, it minimizes breakage and thinning, it repairs hair damage caused by heat and chemical treatments. Wow! So there are quite a good benefits for every hair need, and to be honest I have used this oil for like 3 times now and I really can't talk about the results, what I felt, but ingredients are pretty awesome and I'm sure they'll work. And also its active ingredients, like the main ingredients are black seed oil, argan oil, coconut oil and jojoba oil. And all these major ingredients helps to make your scalp free from dryness. It helps to nourish your hair, it helps in controlling breakage of your hair. It also helps in controlling hair fall. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this product. Next product that I have with me is this onion shampoo. And again, I love the packaging because it has pump and I really like pump packaging, as you all know, because it makes sure that you are using right amount of product. So it has red onion seed oil, argan oil, aqua, keratin, biotin, glycerin, vitamin E, vanilla oil, Brahmi oil, amla oil, bhringraj oil. So ingredients are very powerful. Also, some of the ingredients are same in that oil and in shampoo. So definitely ingredients are very beneficial for hair. Now the major ingredients are red onion seed, amla, bhringraj, brahmi. So these are the main ingredients. And now its benefits. It helps to revive tight scalp and hair. It prevents premature graying, split-ends and thinning. It moisturizes scalp and helps nourish the roots. It repairs hair damage caused by heat and chemical treatment. Now, you can see my hair, they look super moisturized and I am really loving the results. Like I have just used it 3 times, like 3 washes I have done with this shampoo and you can see, I swear to my god, I haven't done anything on my hair like using a straightening iron, nothing like that. These are my natural hair and look at the texture of my hair, they look super moisturized. So yeah, the shampoo is so good. It makes your hair soft and smooth. It cleanses really well. But again, as every SLS and paraben-free shampoo does, it forms very mild lather. The shampoo is also very mild on hair, so it forms very little amount of lather. So please don't fool yourself of having great lather on your scalp, and then it is going to cleanse it well. And as you start using this product, you will start loving it. Next product that I have with me is this Badam Rogan, which is the sweet almond oil. So I really love the fact that they have sent this dropper inside the packaging, which is like really good because it has some amount imprinted here, like how much quantity you are taking. So it is perfect when you want right amount of the product. And the day I received this product, like this particular Badam Rogan, I'm using it since then. And it won't be wrong saying that this is the most favorite product of mine among all. Now let me read out some benefits. It improves brain health, it strengthens the nervous system, it softens and nourishes skin, it is natural hair vitalizer, it is recommended for baby massages. Now it is a very thick kind of oil, and how I like to use it, I use it as my under eye cream. Yes, Badam Rogan is highly recommended for puffy eyes and for dark circles. So I take some on the Q-tip like cotton bud and I apply it under my eyes, and it works pretty awesome as your under eye cream. Like, to remove your dark circles, this is the perfect solution, trust me. You can also use this product as your hair oil, Badam Rogan. Like, ask your dadis and nannies, this is the best you can give to your hair because it really helps in improving your brain health. So that's it with this video. I just wanted to introduce you all with this brand, which is this Ayurvedic Upkarma brand. It is really good. You must give it a try. And to be very honest, the sweet almond oil, Badam Rogan, is one of my favorite products among all. And now talking about giveaway, so I am planning to do a giveaway on both of these products, like the oil and the shampoo. So I will post a video about the giveaway on my Instagram after a week. So make sure you are following me on Instagram to participate in this giveaway, and I will leave my Instagram handle on the screen right now and in my description box also. So do not forget to check that and follow me on Instagram. So if you have any other recommendation, do let me know in the comment section below, whether it is regarding the product or regarding the giveaway, and I will see you in my next video.